affected include Rappahannock River and Remington. Hazardous weather conditions are expected until early Friday morning. Impacts at 18.0 feet. Water approaching homes south of Remington and covers of
Actually, I wonder if any of them are relaying this. No, I don't think so. Yeah, nobody's relaying that flood warning. No idea why, but they just don't. And let me acknowledge the 254.
tomorrow.
Okay. And let me put the ER50 back where it was. So anyway, I have none and compiled. Well, I've already done a preliminary count, and there's about 32. Well, now 33, 34, or 33 clips now from today, yesterday, and the day before that. And heck, this is probably going to be another mega compilation because, well, we already have lots of flood alerts. Now we have to deal with storms probably today and tomorrow. So that means I'm probably going to make another mega compilation, and heck, it could probably even be longer than the one I already just recently posted, which was about 2 hours long. Now it's probably going to be even longer. Well, yeah. Until the next Lord Frederick.
Until 9:30 a.m. this morning, flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include portions of northern and northwest Virginia, including the following counties: in northern Virginia, Culpeper; in northwest Virginia, Madison. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 9:30 a.m. Thursday. Impacts: flooding of low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 3:21 a.m., gauge reports indicated the Robinson River at Locust Dale exceeded minor flood stage. At this stream level, parts of Robinson River Road are flooded. Some locations that will experience flooding include Brightwood, Locust Dale, Oak Park. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flood warning remains in effect until Friday morning. Minor. River at Millville.
Alright, it's 3:26 a.m. in the morning, so I'm gonna say this. Until the next alert, Frederick County WX signing out.
The National Weather Service and State Colleges issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, south central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, west central York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 9:45 a.m. At 6:39 a.m., local law enforcement reported heavy rain and flash flooding across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hampton, Lake Mead, New Oxford, York Springs, Heidlersburg, Hunterstown, Franklintown, Idaville, and Gardners. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flood warning now in effect until this afternoon. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. The air...
Alright. So the current time is 6:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So yeah, until the next Retro County WX signing out.
For the following counties, in Virginia, Fauquier and Prince William. Flood warning now in effect until 1 p.m. this afternoon. Small stream flooding.
Alright, until the next Retro County WX.
Thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned additional weather and listen for commercial radio and possible warnings or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources. Flood warning remains in effect until tomorrow morning. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Flood warning remains in the areas affected include Rappahannock River and River flooding is occurring and moderate flooding is forecast. The areas affected include Potomac River.
Aw man, it wasn't a perfect activation, but hey, at least they put out a watch. I can't believe that the storm prediction system was actually late for issuing that watch. That watch won out of expired. That watch Mesa scale the Mesa scale discussion for issuing a watch ended it like okay. Okay. Well, there you go. They put out a watch. But the EAS, the store prediction system was actually pretty slow at issuing that. Now, which makes sense. And so after all, they shouldn't really jump into a watch. But anyway, yeah. So, until the next alert, Frederick County WX7.
Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the tidal component of Key Ridge system at point. Tonight, south winds are warm remains in effect. Waves less than 1 foot. Scattered showers with isolated thunderstorms until midnight. Isolated showers and thunderstorms.
120 DSP was so late.
Southwest wind five suggest weather conditions are expected until early Saturday morning. Impact at 23.
So yeah, not technically the first SVR of the day that LWX issued, but it is the first SVR that I have caught on the weather radio so far today. But yeah, so it already has a tornado possible tag on it. So cool. Alright, until the next alert, well, not necessarily cool, but until the next alert, Frederick County WX signing out. Tornado possible tag on it.
This could cause a war.
Okay. So yeah, we have a tornado possible tag on that SVR. And the 120 DSP and 259 and 261 keep failing so far. Likely due to the fact that they can't get any reception. Especially considering our reception today sucks! But, yeah. Until the next alert, Frederick County WX signing out.